In today's video, I'm in the June Lake community in Spring Hill, Tennessee, and I'm gonna show you this absolutely beautiful model home. So without further ado, let's get started. All right, y'all, welcome back to the channel. My name's Matt Bogosian. I am standing in front of the Signature Cantor plan. And like I told you, we are gonna go for a tour. So come on, let's go check it out. Look at that. Is that not beautiful? These homes can be a little deceiving because from the front, that doesn't look like a very big house, does it? It really doesn't. But if you come over this way, you will see this house is huge. This home is 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, and 4,200 square feet. Look at, you got the signature flag. It's probably the windiest day of the year right now. So this home has a wonderful front porch. I love that they did the epoxy on the floor on this one instead of just bare concrete or aggregate. It's nice that it matches the brick color. And then it also wraps around the corner right here. So if you need a little spot to hide, that's cool. Tongue and groove ceiling. All right, let's head in. This door, by the way, is probably a $4,000 door. It is so heavy duty. Look at that. Nobody is gonna kick that door in, I'll tell you right now. Okay, so you step into this house and there's so much to take in. I'm gonna try to do this quick. To the right, you've got this beautiful staircase going up with a giant chandelier light and big tall ceilings. It is very impressive. Underneath the stairs, they've got like a little area set up with like a wine rack. See that? That's cool. That's a good use of that space, in my opinion. And I love how they put those windows right here. They didn't have to do that, but it really helps add in some natural light. And then to the left, behind me, is a flex room, and they're using this kind of like as a conference room. I would probably use it as an office, but look at this. They color drenched this room. This just reminds me of iron ore. I don't think it's iron ore. That's probably come and gone. I'm still stuck in the 2021s, but still, beautiful color. It feels really nice. I love the coffered ceiling. I love the light. Once again, this is the same brand of doors right here, and these feel really nice. She told me the brand and I forget, so. All right, you've got really wide plank floors here. This is just gonna be like a little coat closet. And then you walk in and you've got the dining area right here. I love all those windows that wrap around the table. And then they even put a window right there. So when it is sunny out, you get a ton of light pouring in here, which is really nice. Okay, and then over here behind me, you've got the kitchen. Super impressive. Oh my gosh, so much to say. You've got this beautiful island right here with the countertop that water falls and flows right over the edge to the floor. You've got the white appliances. Look at those. Did y'all ever think those were gonna come back? I didn't, but they're back, baby. Look at that. I love it. With the gold handles. They've got the double stack cabinets all the way to the ceiling. And then check out this light. Oh my goodness. How impressive is that? You've got a farm sink right here. Is this the kind where you touch it like mine? Okay, never mind. You've got gas right here. I love these big drawers. Oh, and one thing I love, not only do they have under cabinet lighting, they have under cabinet lighting, which is super useful when you're creeping around in the middle of the night trying to get a snack. Little coffee bar right there. And then in here, they've got like a butler's pantry. So there's a sink, more cabinets, beautiful countertop. And then you've got your regular pantry back here, which is still a really nice size. So did I miss anything? I don't think I did. Let me just give y'all a view of the front entry. Signature Homes does such a good job with giving you different options and upgrades. I was talking to one of the salespeople here. They have like 40 plans that they could offer here. And the amount of upgrades and add-ons that you can do is insane. So if you like to customize homes, you can do that here. You can do that. All right, stepping into the living room area. Look at these ceilings and that light up there. Holy moly. Is this not impressive? I love that fireplace. It's beautiful. And it goes all the way up. They ran that marble all the way up to the ceiling. Come over to here. So this whole area right here feels so warm and inviting. This just feels like an awesome spot to hang out or to entertain friends. I could see myself here. I love it. Look at this fireplace. It's just flowing. You can see over that way where you've got the dining area and the island right there. So nice. So many windows, like blown away. All right, so let's go this way. This is the primary bedroom. You've got your laundry room right here. That's nice. This is just a closet. Look at this. How do you feel when you see this room? It makes me want to lay down and go to bed. I love it. I love the colors. I love the lighting. It feels so inviting. I wonder what they would think if they came in tomorrow and I was sleeping in here. They'd probably be freaked out. Look at this light. I have never seen a light like that. Granted, I'm probably the worst person to ask about lights like that, but you know what I'm saying. All right, so now you step into the bathroom and check this out. How awesome, right? Look at all these cabinets, and they did the wallpaper on the wall. They've got the tall mirrors going up. Just such like thoughtful design. And look at the ceiling and the light up above with the beam and the tongue and groove. 3 windows stacked right there. And then of course, you've got a beautiful shower. I mean, oh my goodness. There's a bench. Well, they put a bench in there. You can customize this stuff. Y'all, if you want to customize a house, Signature Homes can do it. I love this like wallpaper. I know they don't probably call it wallpaper, but still really neat. I love the standalone tub, the artwork they chose, so beautiful. Then you head this way. You've got the walk-in closet right here, of course with the built-ins, plenty of space. And here, this is just your toilet in there. So overall, such a great feeling primary bedroom and bathroom. I could totally see myself in here sleeping. All right, so let's go this way. We got to move quick. It's getting dark. Let's go upstairs. I got you guys. I got you. Okay, I love, look, you can see that light. All right, so you get upstairs. I'm not going to show you to the right yet. You've got a couple doors here. You've got a bedroom over there. You've got a bedroom right there, and then you've got a bathroom. So let me just peek in here and show y'all. Here's this bedroom. Once again, really cool lighting. Check out this bathroom. Don't you just love this wallpaper? I love it. I love the selections that they chose. And then you head this way, and you've got another bedroom with very tall ceilings, mind you. There are 10-foot or taller ceilings throughout this entire house. All right, so backing up, that's what it looks like when you come up the stairs, and you've got that light right there. When you take a right, you immediately step into this really cool little sitting area right here. And I love how they set it up. That's what I would do. This would be like a really cool spot to hang out, have a glass of wine, read a book. I love that there are all sorts of different little like nooks and crannies to hang out in this house. And then right here, you can see over the edge. Look at that. Okay. All right, moving on. You've got this little section right here, and this is really cool. They just put a bench over there and a couple lights, and then put that table right there. What a great way to utilize this space. This could be like a place where you sit with your family and play games. You could put games over here. I think that would be really, really cool. It could be a spot like maybe you come up here with your friends and play cards and have a couple drinks. So you see all this. And then behind me, you've got this loft area. They didn't put a TV up here because they don't really do that in model homes. They usually just put art and stuff like that. Love it. And they put, look at this, some desks for your kids or whoever to do some work. And then from this side, when you look down, isn't that sweet? Look at that fireplace. Yeah, it's nice. Okay, so you've got this room. And then moving on this way, you've got a bedroom right here. And look at the ceiling with the wallpaper on the ceiling. I love the colors that they chose. They're some of my favorite colors, the greens, and I believe this is like a dark blue or a black, and the brown leathers. Oh, this is my jam. I like this. This is a really good sized room. The ceilings feel tall. It's got a walk-in closet right here. And then you come down this hallway right here, and there is another bathroom right here. Once again, I mean, really beautiful. Super tall ceilings. So that's what that all looks like. And then this is an add-on over the garage, this bonus area. Look at this. This is probably my favorite room of the house. Maybe. I really like the kitchen too. But I mean, look at this. So it's so big because it's a 3-car garage. So you've got this section over there, and then they've got a section over here that they set up, like a little music area. Check out these lights. And windows everywhere. I mean, they added windows everywhere, which I love. These are just a couple closets. This is a huge closet right here. Hangers, I could use some hangers. Another closet right here. So, yeah, is this not cool? Look at this. I love it. So you've got the back patio right here. You open this door, and I love where it's located. It's way out of the way. You don't have to like walk through the kitchen. It's in a good spot. You just open this, you pop out, and look at this. How beautiful. And they extended this deck over here, and there's a little side yard here. So some of these will have like a little side yard along the side of the house, but it won't be much. But if you have a little dog, you're fine. That dog can use that. But such a beautiful area to hang out. I love it. This is exactly how I would set it up. I would put this table here, and I would just hang out here and just enjoy life. Love the colors they chose, the black windows. All right, so let's go down here. Oh, they did put a TV. That's cool. So this hallway right here will take you back this way, and I believe this is a half bathroom. I love that. I love that wallpaper. Man, wallpaper is so cool. And look at that mirror. Feels like a really nice half bathroom. You keep on going. There's just like a little nook right here, which I get. I would probably put like a little mudroom type thing or something right there, a drop zone, I mean. And then when you open this, they're using this as an office, but this would be the garage back here. And then there's a driveway back there. So, all right, y'all. So there you have it. This is the Signature Cantor plan by Signature Homes. My name is Matt Bogosian. I'm a real estate agent, believe it or not, right here in the Thompson Station and Spring Hill area. If you like this house, or if you'd like to look into building another one of their plans here in June Lake, I'll leave a link down in the description. You can click on that link. It will take you to my calendar, and you can pick a day and time to jump on a call, and we can chat about your options. I really appreciate you guys joining me. Thank you so much. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.